When it comes to pushing the boundaries of a premier vehicle, Toyota Crown places the bar high. Now, the Toyota Crown family expands its lineup with Toyota Crown Signia, which boasts a fluid, sophisticated design that pushes the idea of what mainstream SUVs can look like, all while setting the standard even higher. Blending impressive versatility and intuitive technologies, the newest member of the Toyota Crown family is backed by the legendary Toyota hybrid system for a smooth, quiet, and powerful ride, ready to handle most types of terrain and weather conditions thanks to its standard all-wheel drive system. Available in two well-equipped grades, Crown Signia is all about urban excellence complemented by impressive long-distance driving capability. Let's take a closer look and discover what makes the newest addition to the Toyota Crown family such an enticing SUV. Crown Signia seamlessly blends utility and eye-catching design. This starts with its sleek profile, giving it a unique appearance that's both dynamic and elegant. Together with the hammerhead front fascia, Crown Signia is sure to turn heads with its stylishly modern take on the premium two-row SUV. Further enhancing this distinct style are standard striped LED daytime running lights and LED headlights that flow into the unmistakable front end, which features a body-colored grille and panels. Together with an athletic stance and available 21-inch alloy wheels, Crown Signia's road presence is further amplified. To complement all of this flowing style with noteworthy versatility, Crown Signia's standard hands-free power liftgate ensures easy access to the expansive cargo area even when the driver's hands are full, while the standard low-profile roof rails allow owners to carry more gear on every road trip. What's more, an available fixed panoramic glass roof lets the outside in, giving occupants a spacious and airy feel. Stepping inside Toyota Crown Signia, passengers are greeted by an interior that's both sophisticated and functional. Its extensive use of premium materials with color-matched panels and rich textures enhances visual changes, all while contributing to the cabin's quietness. Supportive power-adjustable heated and ventilated front seats make every drive as enjoyable as possible. Taking comfort to new heights are standard heated outboard rear seats and a standard heated steering wheel. Together with the cabin's openness and excellent all-around visibility, these features provide a quiet, relaxing space for epic driving adventures. In addition, Crown Signia enhances this elevated cabin experience with extra functionality. Standard 60/40 split fold-down rear seats include an extension board that enables the cabin to accommodate cargo up to 6.5 feet in length, resulting in a flat-load floor. And for small items, the center console has clever storage spaces to accommodate phones and other handheld mobile devices. When it comes to tech, Crown Signia delivers features worthy of a vehicle wearing the iconic Toyota Crown nameplate. The top-class multimedia experience begins with the latest Toyota Audio multimedia platform with a standard 12.3-inch touchscreen, which includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. What's more, an available 11-speaker JBL premium audio system ensures that the listening experience is clear and immersive. For even more convenience, the standard 12.3-inch multi-information display puts crucial driving information in the driver's line of sight, all while giving Crown Signia's cabin a high-tech look and feel befitting its position as a premier SUV. Plus, the standard vertical Qi-compatible wireless charging and a total of 5 USB ports, 3 in the front and 2 in the rear, keeps devices juiced on long drives. Meanwhile, the available digital key enables owners to use their smartphones instead of a physical key to operate the vehicle with an active remote connect trial or subscription. Crown Signia's tech story continues to the safety and convenience fronts, thanks to the standard Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Additionally, the standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, as well as available systems like lane change assist, traffic jam assist, and front cross traffic alert build on the impressive standard technologies, helping contribute to improved driver awareness on the road. Crown Signia's refinement story continues in the powertrain, where it backed up its sophistication with electrified power, featuring a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid electric system with 243 net combined horsepower for a smooth, responsive drive. Best of all, electronic on-demand all-wheel drive comes standard on all grades for more traction when conditions require it, as well as enhanced handling and stability in the drive. On top of that, Crown Signia's maximum towing capacity of 2,700 pounds brings added capability to an already compelling package. Sophisticated and elevated, Toyota Crown Signia defines what an SUV is capable of, especially with its unique blend of elegance, comfort, and advanced tech. This new SUV cements Toyota's ability to create a stylish, functional vehicle packed with urban excellence and outstanding long-distance comfort, all backed by a legendary reputation for quality, durability, and reliability. And since it's a hybrid electric vehicle, Crown Signia supports Beyond Zero, Toyota's vision of a carbon-neutral future. When all of these factors are taken together, there's no denying that Crown Signia elevates the driving experience to the next level of comfort and refinement, all while maintaining everything that makes SUVs so flexible. Learn more about Toyota Crown Signia at toyota.com.